We're making marble pie today, a cold and refreshing dessert. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today it has been so hot, had to close my eyes. 102 at the hottest, and now it's 99 at 7:30 almost. So we're making a cool and refreshing dessert, and you don't even have to put it in the oven. Can I get an amen? Hallelujah! Just like Medea. This comes from the 1944 Jell-O Bright Spots for Wartime Meals 66 Ration-Wise Recipes book. It's nice and colorful, and we're making the marble pie at the top of the page. Your essential ingredients are small package of vanilla pudding, small package of chocolate pudding, and a graham cracker crust, or if you want to go for the upgrade, get you a nice Oreo cookie crust. You'll also need 1 1/2 cup milk for each one. Instead of the 2 cups that it calls for on the package, you want this to be a firmer filling. By the way, if you're in another country and you don't know what size package small or large is, these small packages of vanilla and chocolate Jell-O pudding are 3.4 ounces or 96 grams. Or 96 grams on the vanilla, 110 grams on the chocolate. We just mix this in slowly. And you've seen this before. Just make sure that you speed it up and you're careful so that you don't get whang all over the kitchen. As per the directions, mix it up for a couple of minutes at least. When you finish it, set it in the refrigerator to chill for about 5-10 minutes. Here is my vanilla. Same thing, start off slow. Then you can speed it up. Again, mix it for about 2 minutes at least till it thickens up. Set this in the refrigerator to chill with your chocolate pudding for 5 to 10 minutes. You can set your timer. Alright, you're in the home stretch. You've got your chilled pudding, 5 to 10 minutes. You want to start by spooning in some vanilla pudding, and then you're going to spoon in some chocolate. See where this is going? You just alternate. It's gonna marble up anyway, so then there's a nice spoon for the cook, chef, or helper to eat up on. See how easy this is, and it's cold and refreshing, and everybody loves it. So now, just you can go ahead and kind of spread it a little even with your knife here. Then put your knife in carefully and just twist it back and forth. That's one way. If you don't like the way it looks, go back the other way. And you can keep doing that until it looks exactly the way you want it to. I like that right there. So, now, that's wonderful. Who doesn't love nice cold pudding? And this is a pie that even your children can make. No oven required. And for my diabetic friends, this is absolutely a diabetic-friendly dessert. Get the sugar-free pudding. Now that you've got it done, I would take it to your refrigerator Let it chill for 3 to 4 hours. Let it set up. It'll be a little bit more firm. It'll be easier to cut and serve that way. And your crust, hopefully, if you're careful, won't crumble all over the place. If you like this recipe for cold, refreshing marble pie, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this recipe and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help. Even me. Stay cool. We're making That was nice. Today we're making marble pie. So grab your pen and pen. I'm burning up because it was 102 today and it's still 99. And I turned the air conditioner off between takes. Yes.